Hi and welcome to your Momentum Booster Shop. Quick coaching for smart business growth designed to help you get momentum every day and results all year. Now, your branding isn't just about a logo or colours. It's how people feel about your business and whether or not they remember it, they trust it, and they choose it. So today I want to share with you how to strengthen your brand presence in 3 really simple ways. Now, the first one is to be consistent with things like fonts, tones, colours, messaging, because consistency builds trust and makes your brand instantly recognisable. And then next, you want to show your personality because people connect with people. So don't hide behind generic words or stock photos. Instead, let your values and your voice shine through. And then thirdly, repeat your message. What do you want to be known for? Keep saying it. And what you'll find then over time is your audience will start saying it for you. Okay, your momentum move for today. Look at your website, your bio, or some of your last few posts. Are they visually and verbally aligned with the brand that you want to be known for? If not, make one small tweak today to bring things more into alignment. And remember, these tips only work if you work them, so give this a go. Take this idea from theory to practice and from practice to mastery. Trust me, you will thank yourself later. Because one step every day in the right direction, that's momentum.